StudioVQ is a cloud-based design platform created by VeriQuest to enable educators to create visuals and manipulatives from anywhere. With access to over 3,000 unique pre-designed templates and collections, and over 30,000 unique digital assets to fully customize and create with personality, StudioVQ prioritizes every educator, every learner, every day. When getting started, you'll receive an invitation from StudioVQ to your email to join your school's StudioVQ organization. Upon arrival, you'll be taken to the admin page of StudioVQ. This is where you, as a champion contact or location administrator, can invite new users to join your organization, effortlessly connecting your educators with access to your new cloud-based design platform. To add new users, simply click the New User button in the top right corner of this page and fill out the form. Be careful to note that there are two different account types to be selected, Student and General. At this time, it's important to note that because student data is protected, their invitation to the platform follows a different route. When selecting a student account, an alias username is randomly generated, and you are then able to invite a new student account individually by copying and sharing the individual link. To invite multiple students, you must repeat these steps. To further protect students, student accounts do not have access to the new stock library feature that is supported by Unsplash. You should select the General account for educators, administrators, and anyone else you would like to share the full experience with. After selecting the General account type, you will notice that a checkbox labeled Location Administration is able to be checked. This feature will give this new user location administrator permissions, allowing them to add new users and manage devices through StudioVQ. You may now invite the new user by completing the form with the first and last name and email address. Completing the form will automatically send an email invitation to this user. All they have to do is click the link in the form and proceed to the StudioVQ site. The home page is where each new project or job starts. You will see that we have two visible rows here. One labeled Recent Projects and the other labeled What's New. Recent Projects displays your most recently worked on jobs. You will notice that it is blank upon your first visit to the cloud-based platform. This is because you're brand new to the site and haven't had the opportunity to create anything yet. What's New updates with new templates, collections, or assets added to the platform. Above these two rows, you'll find three shortcuts: Explore, Upload, and Create New. Clicking the Explore button takes you directly to the Explore tab, allowing you to browse our entire catalog of existing templates, collections, and assets. Clicking Upload allows you to upload any supported file type within the size limit of 5.25 megabytes. Here, you are able to upload PDFs, SVG, JPEG, and PNG files. You are also able to start from a blank canvas by clicking Create New. You may select which format or device you would like to create a job for, select which size you want your canvas to be, and then from there, you enter the editor. We'll be going through the editor in a more in-depth video later, so stay tuned. Let's take a look at the Explore page. This is where you can browse through our full library of templates, collections, and digital assets available in StudioVQ. At the top, you'll find a keyword search bar, which allows you to quickly find specific templates or assets by simply typing in what you're looking for. This is especially helpful if you already have something in mind for your project. Below that, you'll see a wide variety of templates and collections to choose from. StudioVQ offers over 3,000 print templates along with more than 30,000 digital assets, giving you plenty of options to get started or spark new ideas. On the side, you'll notice filter options that allow you to sort by model type, such as Perfecta Poster Maker, Motiva Small Format Printer, or Cutout Maker Digital Die Cut Machine. This helps ensure that the templates you're viewing are compatible with the device you're working on. You'll also find categories and subcategories similar to what you may have seen in earlier VeriQuest systems. These make it easy to browse by theme, subject, or project type if you're not searching for something specific. Once you find a template or asset you like, you can select it to begin customizing and creating your project. The Explore page is a great place to start whenever you're looking for inspiration or ready-to-use designs. Now, let's look at the Profile page. This is where you can personalize your StudioVQ experience and manage a few helpful settings. Towards the middle of the page, you'll have the option to upload a mascot or theme image. This is a great way to customize your projects with your school's branding or a specific theme you'd like to use. Simply click to upload your image. Supported file types include JPEG and PNG. You'll also see the file size limits displayed to help ensure your upload is successful. Another helpful feature on the Profile page is the Name List tool. This allows you to create and save lists of names that can be quickly used across different projects, saving you time when creating materials like labels, certificates, or personalized items. The Profile page is a simple but powerful way to keep your content organized and add a personalized touch to everything you create in StudioVQ. Let's take a look at the Library page. This is where all of your saved content is organized and easy to access. The first section you'll see is My Projects. This is where all of your user-created projects are stored. Anytime you create or save a project in StudioVQ, it will appear here so you can easily revisit, edit, or reuse at any time. Next is Shared Projects. This section includes projects that have been shared within your organization, making it easy to collaborate with others or access designs created by your team. You'll also find the Images section, which stores any images you've uploaded, whether from the home page or directly within the editor. It makes it simple to reuse logos, graphics, or other visuals across multiple projects without needing to upload them again. The Library page helps keep everything in one place, so you can stay organized and quickly find exactly what you need. Let's look at the Resources page. This is your go-to spot for support, training, and additional tools within StudioVQ. Here, you'll find access to webinars and training videos that walk you through different features and help you get the most out of the platform. If you ever need assistance, you can easily contact technical support or customer service directly from this page. You'll also find a helpful FAQ section where you can quickly get answers to commonly asked questions. In addition, the Resources page includes software downloads, making it easier to access any necessary updates. And lastly, you'll have access to the VeriQuest Resource Center, where you can explore even more templates, ideas, and materials to support your projects. The Resources page is designed to make sure that you always have the help and inspiration you need right at your fingertips. Now let's take a look at the Print queue. After you select Print on a project, it will appear here. The Print queue is where you can view and manage all print jobs within your organization. You'll see a list of jobs that have been sent, including jobs that are completed, currently in progress, or waiting in the StudioVQ Job Manager. The Job Manager is your local application that connects to your VeriQuest devices and is where your projects are actually finalized and printed or cut. It's important to note that selecting Print in StudioVQ does not complete the job. It simply sends it to the Job Manager. The Print queue makes it easy to track what's been completed, what's in progress, and what's coming up next, all in one place. Going back to the admin page, I will show you how to view all of the devices currently connected to your organization or school. Simply select the Manage Devices button in the middle of your screen. This will show you all of the devices currently associated with your organization. You are able to submit a print or cut job to any of these devices. If you would like to add a device that is off the network, navigate to the top right corner and select the New Device button. Once selected, simply enter in the serial number located on the back of your device. Your off-the-network device is now able to be selected in your print or cut preview. To connect your on-the-network devices, please tune into video 3 of our training series, where we will cover all things StudioVQ Job Manager. Thanks for following along in video 1 of our training series, where we went over the main features of StudioVQ, VeriQuest's new cloud-based design platform. Here are a few things to remember. First, it's very important that when inviting users as a location administrator, you add users via the New User form found in the top right corner. Second, there are multiple ways to start and create a job, and there are thousands of templates created for you already, saving you time and adding valuable resources into your classroom setup. Third, stay tuned for the next 2 videos in this series. We will be going over how to create new projects from scratch with an in-depth look at all the new design features, as well as a very important overview on the StudioVQ Job Manager, your local job management application.